Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. In this video, we are going to cover the sample paper section B of NIOS Senior Secondary course of subject Computer Science. Already section A is being uploaded as the last video. Please do go and check it out. So let's begin. First question, 28th question is of 2 marks, which has two questions. First question is, what is cloud computing? So cloud computing is delivery of services through internet. The resources include tools and applications like data storage, servers, database, networking, and software. So that is cloud computing. Next question is, define cookies. So cookies, it is small pieces of text sent to your browser by a website you visit. It is used to track the users as they navigate different pages of website. Next question is 29th question, and it is of 2 marks. First question is, define degree of a relation. So what is degree? It is the number of entity types that are associated with a relationship. Number of entity types related with a relationship, or number of attributes. Example would be, if this is a relation works and you have got entities employee, location, department. So the degree of this diagram would be 3. What is cardinality of a relational table? Cardinality of a relational table, it represents the fact that each parent entity or a table within a relationship is connected to a particular number of instances of child entity or table. Next question is question number 30. You have to write SQL query for the following. To display employee number, employee name of employees having salary greater than 45,000. So this is the table. Name of the table is employee. The query would be like, select, it is to display employee number, the name of the column that is being used, comma, employee name, so it is EMP, name from employee, condition is where salary greater than 45,000. Next one is to insert the details of an employee having 106 Raju and 20,000 as the values. So for that, insert statement, insert into the table name values, write the values 106 comma Raju comma 20,000 and semicolon. This would be the answer for the second question. Next one is, name the 3 components of mail merge features in OpenOffice Writer. Again, 2 marks question. So the answer for this is data source, main document, combined document are the 3 main components of your mail merge feature. Next one is, illustrate the general structure of an HTML document. Again, 2 marks question. HTML, ending with an HTML head, starting and ending of a head, and this is title slash title inside this head, and body, starting of the body and ending of the body tag. So these are the HTML documents that are the basic structure of your HTML document. Of 2 marks, 33 question. So you have to this is the code for your program. Then starts main function and reading of a value of structure and then displaying the value. Okay, so statement 1 and statement 2 is there, and here's marks is given to another structure S2, and that is being displayed here. So first complete the following code. Statement first is create two objects named S1 and S2. So to create object, this is the syntax: struct student S1 comma S2 semicolon. Next one is copy the name of object S1 to the name object S2 using string function. So string function is strcpy string copy S2 dot name comma S1 dot name. 34th question, that is construct AND gate using NOR gate. So let's see, this is the structure of AND gate using NOR gate. So both places NOR gate is used, here and here, and you will get the AND gate. Okay, here the output will be X complement and Y complement, and it goes through this NOR gate. Okay, finally you are getting X into Y, that is the result of your AND gate. Okay, here if you see OR gate using NAND gate, so this is NAND gate, A and B is the input, A and B both has the value of complement here, and output would be A plus B. Okay, so you are getting OR gate using these NAND gates. This is the basic structure of that question. Define the following terms. Constructor. Constructor is a special initialization function that is automatically called when a class is declared. Okay, it has the same name as the class name. Next one is function overriding. Function overriding is redefining of base class function in its derived class with the same signature. Okay, that is return type and parameters. Then comes local variable. Local variable, it is a type of variable that we declare inside a block or a function, unlike the global variable. So global variable, it is a variable that you can use from any part of the program, including within functions. Okay, these are. Next question is create a web page using the following instructions. 3 marks. It is displaying a web page having largest headings, HTML images and paragraph with this writing, and next one is one image and a text having width 100 and height 150. Okay, so this is what you have to display the web page with. Let's check the output of this one. You can see here highest text will be H1, and then a paragraph, then the images, and alternate text is this one. And since we don't have a sample paper, we have taken another picture which is already available and run the program. So this would be the output for this particular HTML question. Next one is 37 question. It is asking for define the following. Any three you have to define, which consists of 3 marks, any three. So we will see all the definition. First one is key. It is attribute or a set of attributes that helps to uniquely identify a tuple in a relation. You have a table, so uniquely it will be identifying the attribute. Primary key, it is also having the same meaning. Both can be taken as one meaning. Primary key, it uniquely identifies each row of your table. Okay, if you have got name of a person and age, so each row will be identified using this primary key. We have already discussed all this in previous videos of TBMS. Constraints. Candidate key, set of one or more attributes that uniquely identifies a tuple in a table. Foreign key and alternate key. Foreign key, the primary key of the table will be used in another table, and those values only will be existing there in another table. That is what foreign key is. For example, like you have department 1, 2 and 3, and this is department table with 1, 2 and 3 values. You have another table of students where only the students department can be from 1, 2 or 3, none other than that. So in that case, we call this column as foreign key and the existing tables as primary key. Primary key will be acting as foreign key in another table. It maintains a link between two separate tables. Next one is alternate key. Those candidate key which are not primary key, we call it as alternate keys. First question of 30th question is, write the name of the class whose constructor is invoked first on the creation of new object of class country. So answer is country class. Next is write the name of data members that are accessible through object of class country. So let's check country ID and country name, these two. Next one is list the name of the members that are accessible through the member function void new country. Void, the member functions would be country ID, country name, state population, city population, then the member population, display country, new state, print state, get population, new city, and show city. These are the members. Next one is what will be the size in byte of the class country and state. So it would be, for country it would be 90 bytes, and the state it would be 63 bytes. Next question is OR part, and what is the virtual base class, and explain it by taking an example. This virtual base class. So virtual base class is a concept used in multiple inheritances to prevent the ambiguity between multiple instances. So for example, class A and class B and class C is also there. Class A is the base class and these are the derived classes. But once we create another class, D will be derived from this B and C, so it will have the properties of B and C as well, preventing the ambiguity. This question is write a function for bubble sort to sort an array. So what is a bubble sort? We have to understand first. Bubble sort is sorting or arranging the values based on the smallest to the largest. And how it is done, let's check. So you are given with some values. These are the values given here. Values are sorted out, you will get this value. If you check next two numbers, it is again sorted. No need to do anything. If you check next two numbers, it is again sorted. Then check the next two numbers, they are not sorted, exchange them. So this is the result. After that, again you have to check this. First this three numbers are already sorted, then again interchange them, and after interchanging you will get a set, and at the end the result will be like this. This is bubble sort. Okay, this program, writing a program in C++ to call a function which will return the cube of a given number. So you can go and check the program of inline function, this particular program, from the chapter C++. This is already uploaded, and inline function is a small code where you will be writing the code, and it will be called effectively once this portion is called. It's used for writing very small codes. Okay, so hope you understood. By this the video is done for section B sample paper. Hope you understood. If you have got doubts, please do comment. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe and like the content. and share it with your friends. Thank you.